Continuing on what I eat in a day, this is what I'm having for lunch today. It's another favorite lunch of mine. Don't mind my messy stove. My daycare kids are all eating lunch. First, I'm just making a couple eggs. I probably make eggs really weird to most people. This is how I like to make them. Salt and pepper. And then I just add a little water in the pan to create steam. So when I put the lid on, it like steam cooks the eggs. And then I'm gonna do some English muffin bread in the toaster, 2 pieces. I'm gonna wash these cherry tomatoes. I know my eggs are done when like it's just white over the top of the yolks, if that makes sense. I just slice up some cherry tomatoes. Alright. I like white it over so my eggs are done, if you can see that. Just gonna let them sit in the pan a minute. Normally I get real avocados, but I just got these mini avocado cups because I'm the only one that eats avocado, and like I don't like to waste it, so we're gonna try this today. Thinking this will be perfect for my 2 little pieces of toast. You gotta eat your other food, Libby. Like so. Now I need a plate. Alright, toast, tomatoes, like so. Now we need my favorite seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning. Just a little. This stuff is flavorful. And there's my lunch. The kids are playing Eeny, Miny, Moe at the table. My yolk is runny when I cook my eggs that way. Taste test. Super good as usual. Love this breakfast. Breakfast, lunch. Could eat it for either. So yummy. Let me know if you try this or if you already make something like this. It's not like it's original. I don't know if I like this avocado as good as like the fresh avocados. I'm undecided. We're outside now. Oh, it's bright. Yep, be careful one at a time. There was some cheese left, so I made some meat, cheese, and crackers for myself too because it sounded good. Alright, that's lunch.